Hello everyone, I'm Scott Cantley. I'm President and CEO of the Memorial Health System. And joining me today is Jarrett Stull, the Executive Director of the Memorial Health Foundation.
Well, I'm glad to be joining you, Scott.
Hey Jarrett, it's my favorite time of year. It's the holiday season, and every time we get to this point in the year, it's just wonderful to reflect back on all the blessings we've had all year long. But this year is really special. And I think about just what an amazing opportunity we've had to serve this year, but the exciting announcements of things like the Women's and Children's Hospital and what it's been to bring services we've never had before to this community. Our ability to talk about replacing the Sistersville General Hospital and the project that we're queuing up for next year to begin to replace that hospital in Tyler County, West Virginia, is really a phenomenal opportunity. Maybe one of the most exciting things was talking about the entry of the Memorial Health System into the Mayo Clinic Care Network, and all the opportunities that brings to bring the number one leader in global healthcare, bring all that expertise right here to the Mid-Ohio Valley through our doctors and nurses, and their ability to tap that expertise on behalf of our patients has really just been practically a transformational year, I think, for our health system.
Yep, absolutely. It's hard to identify which one is the biggest announcement that we've been able to make. It's just amazing that we're expanding healthcare throughout the region the way that we are. And our donors have stepped forward. This year, we've seen nearly 900 donors support us in this past year, and their gifts have helped their gift commitments have helped with raising $5.5 million for this health system, which is a huge year for us. And the impact of that is we've seen 260 cancer patients be able to continue on their cancer journey that needed financial assistance with medication or transportation getting to their appointments. And we've been able to award more than $300,000 back into the health system to different departments, as well as to organizations in the community that share our mission of improving the health of the community this year. And so it's just been incredibly impressive, and we thank all of our donors for their tremendous support and their generosity to us. And as you said, reflecting back throughout the year, it's again just another impressive year of this community showing generosity for how we're expanding healthcare.
It's always amazing to me. I mean, the health system touches so many lives. I think one of my favorite stories this year individually was the story you told of Cecil Chandler, who was one of our cancer center patients, and he was really worried and praying for a solution to be able to access, the multiple trips he was going to have to make to the cancer center, and how he saw that when Jane Skeen, one of our social workers in the cancer center, connected him to the foundation's fund, that it was the answer to his prayers.
Yes.
And I think that people don't understand sometimes how it takes all of us. I mean, the needs go beyond just the ability to deliver the treatments and to organize the nurses and doctors to deliver those treatments, but it takes a lot of other pieces to really get people all the care that they need. And that's where the foundation came in this year. It was a heart-touching story, but I think it really highlights what a difference people make when they give to our foundation.
Absolutely. And we do talk a lot about very large gifts that we've been so blessed to receive, but it's also the $10 and $20 gifts that's making a huge difference in our patients' lives to ensure that they're getting to their appointments, they're getting the health care they need, the access to that. And so it's really all levels of gifts, and that's what we've seen from our nearly 900 donors this year.
Well, it's exciting. I know Thanksgiving's coming up, and so that time to get together with our family and friends is kind of marks the beginning for me of my family's holiday celebrations. And when we push back the plates and and clear the table, there is another opportunity coming, isn't there?
There absolutely is. So, National Giving Tuesday, always the Tuesday after Thanksgiving, is a time that organizations around the country look to have people support their organizations. And this year, again, we're participating in Giving Tuesday. Last year, we had more than $281,000 in donations.
Wow.
And this year, we are setting an aggressive goal of $300,000 raised from 300 donors to support our 30 direct patient initiatives. And so Tuesday, November 28th, we're going to have another opportunity, an invitation to our supporters in our community and throughout the region to support us on that day.
Well, our commitment at the Memorial Health System is to continue to grow our services and our opportunities to impact. I think this opportunity for the community to participate in that and support that and touch lives just like Cecil's in so many ways beyond just the delivery of care, but in facilitating those access points, touch points, is a great opportunity at this holiday season for us all to participate.
Absolutely. And people can learn more. The website will be here at the bottom of the screen, and that they can go to start to see now what they could do on Giving Tuesday. And of course, we'll have more information out to everyone, social media and email if you follow us on all of our social media channels on Tuesday, November 28th.
Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you and your family have a blessed holiday season, and thank you for your support of the Memorial Health System and the Memorial Health Foundation.